this is Geyser, and this Geyser is error 7 E7 complaint. Okay, I show you. See, now it is E1 complaint. E1 complaint is in the this water. This is water level sensor. This water level sensor wire is opened. For that purpose, E7 E1 complaint is coming. Okay, I put the wire perfectly and put it to the socket. I switch on the geyser. See now. This is PCB board and this is the sensor board and digital display. The coil is good. See now, this is now not coming any error complaint. Okay, this is the 41 degree centigrade is showing. Okay, without water we can't heat the coil. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you once again.